Hello and welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to automate student admission inquiries via WhatsApp. Whether you run a school, coaching center or a training institute, this automated chatbot will help you to run the student admission process inquiries without you doing any manual efforts. Yes, it is truth, and that will done in just 3 steps. Where at first we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot, and that will create it with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, so that whenever your users send a message to your WhatsApp business account, then automatically your bot will reply to them. So now to see the working of this amazing automation and learn the process step by step, let's go to my screen. Welcome to my screen everyone. So this is right over here is the automated WhatsApp chatbot that we are going to create in this video. This will handle all the student admission inquiries that are coming into your academies or the institution without you doing any manual efforts. But before moving forward, now I'll give you a quick overview of how this bot will work and how this bot will reply to your students within a seconds. For that, I'm going to send a message to my WhatsApp business account. Here I am going to send my first message as admission inquiry. As soon as I send the message, immediately you can see the bot will respond to me like this, that hi there, welcome to Jet King Academy. How may I assist you today? While providing me 2 quick buttons, that is register now and view courses. Here I want to register. For that I am clicking on this register now button. When I click on it, then you can see it will ask me to select the course while providing me one option in the form of list. When I click on it, it will provide me the multiple types of courses that are provided by this academy, that is the web development, digital marketing, graphic designing and Python programming. Here I want to register for the graphic designing, so I am selecting this. Then you can see it will ask me for my full name, so I am sharing my full name as a test user. Then it will ask me to provide the date that when I would like to start the course, so I am sharing one date also. Then it will ask me for my contact number, so I am sharing one test contact number. Then you can see I have received one customized message by my bot, which includes my name that I have given as test user, also the course that I have selected from the list as a graphic designing, and the starting date. So if you want to create this type of WhatsApp automated chatbot that will handle all the student inquiries that are coming into your academies regarding the registrations or the courses you are offering to them, then you have to follow step-by-step instructions that I am giving you in this video. So let's get started. At first, you have to click on a new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. So here you are on the official page of Pabbly Chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool that's help you to automate WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 for your different type of businesses. Now I'll give you a quick review about Pabbly community. So this is right over here is Pabbly community, where automation users, business owners and marketers connect. When you face any issue while using the Pabbly, then you can share your doubts here, and the people who are facing similar problem just like you or even the Pabbly team members will help you out. So if you want to join this amazing community, then I'll provide the link of this community in the description box. You can check out. Now we will get back to the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. Here on the right hand side you can see 2 options are there. The one is sign in and another is sign up free option. If you are a new user, then you can click on sign up free option and get 100 free credits to explore the software. If you are an existing user, then you can click on sign in option. Since I am an existing user, so I am clicking on this sign in option. So here you can see these are the all apps that Pabbly provide to their users. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, and that will create it with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, so I am going in this Pabbly Chatflow box by clicking access now button. So this is right over here is the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, where you can add and manage all of your WhatsApp number in one place, where you can see your credits allotted, your credits consumed, your credits remaining and the WhatsApp number added. If you want to add a new WhatsApp number into your Pabbly Chatflow account, then you have to click on this plus add WhatsApp number button. When you click on it, it will provide you 2 options, that is WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. If you want a detailed video of how you can connect your WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account, then we have already created a separate video for it. for both of these steps. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box, you can check out. Now, in this folder section, you can create multiple folders into your Pabbly Chatflow account by clicking on this plus option, where you have to write the folder name in this field and also select the parent folder from here. After that, you have to simply click on this create folder button, and in this home section, you can see the status of your WhatsApp number that were added into your Pabbly Chatflow account. Here on the left hand side, you can see the multiple features of Pabbly Chatflow, that is inbox, contacts, team queues, templates, broadcast, flows, AI assistant, activity logs, settings, and get help. If you want to learn more about all of these features, then we have already created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. Now, as we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, so I am going this flows option. So this is the page where you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Flow Builder. It creates and manages static chatbots seamlessly using a no-code, user-friendly drag and drop builder. As we are creating a new WhatsApp chatbot, so I am going to click on this plus add flow button. So this is the starting point of your flow, that is trigger. But before this, at first you have to give the name to your flow, that what you are creating. So here I am providing a name. Here I provided, that is automate student admission inquiries via WhatsApp. Now I'll give you a quick review about these two options, messages and actions. Under the messages, you can see different buttons are there, as well as under the actions, you can see different buttons are there. We will use these buttons in the creation of our flow. Here on the right hand side, you can see two options are there. The one is active and active button. With the help of this toggle, your flow will be active. If you don't enable this toggle, then your flow will not be worked and it will not reply to your user. And the another one is the save button. With the help of this button, your flow will be updated. Now let's get started. So for starting the creation of your flow, at first you have to select your trigger event. When you click on it, it will provide you multiple types of trigger events, that is keyword/regex, user starts conversation, template selected, WhatsApp template delivered, contact added to contact list, custom field updated, contact's birthday, it is coming soon, and tag assigned. I am creating this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of keywords, so I am selecting this. Keywords are those manually entered words that I expect that my user sends to me. And another one is the regex. Regex stands for regular expression. It can extract useful data from inputs such as email, phone number, order number, etc. You can also enable this toggle if you want to activate some specific feature or behavior into your chatbot. As we are creating this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of keywords, so the first keyword I am entering in this enter keyword box as admission inquiry. After writing the keyword, you have to press enter so that it will add it into the list. Now I am adding two more keywords here. Register and courses. Here I added only 3, you can add multiple. Now whenever my user will send any of these keywords to my WhatsApp business account, then automatically my bot gets triggered and reply to them by sending them one welcome message. For that, I am taking one text button, drag this box here, where I am going to write my welcome message in this enter message box. That is, hi there, welcome to Jet King Academy. How may I assist you today? So for answering this, I am providing two quick buttons for my users. For that, I am clicking on this plus add button. It will provide me one enter text box where I am going to write my first button as register now. After that, I am adding one more, view courses. After that, I am connecting the starting point of my flow, that is trigger, to this message by clicking on this circle, dragging a line and connecting this line to this circle. Here it is connected. Now let's assume my users wants to register, then they will click on this register now button, then my bot will reply to them. For that, I am taking one list button, drag this box here. Here you can see this list box is divided in 3 parts, that is header, body and footer, where at first you have to write the header in this enter header box. Here I am not writing it, so I am leaving this blank. After that, you have to write the body in this enter body box, that I am going to write as here I want to share my users of types of courses that are available into my academy. For that, I write it the message body as to begin. First select a course. After that, you have to write the footer in this enter footer box. Here I am not writing it, so I am leaving this blank. After that, I am going to add the types of courses that are available into my academy. For that, I am clicking on this H section button. It will provide me one box inside it where I am going to write the section title as course type. After writing the title, I am going to add the types of courses. For that, I am clicking on this add items button. It will again provide me one box inside it where I am going to write the first course type in this enter title box as web development. After that, in this enter description box, I am going to write the fees and the duration of this specific course, that is the 3 months, and the price is 15,000. 1000. After that, I am adding 2 more course type including their prices and the duration. For that, I am again clicking on this add items button 2 times. The process of adding items into your list would be the same. Here I added, that is digital marketing and the graphic designing. Now I am adding one more. For that, I am again clicking on this plus add items button. It will again provide me one box inside it where I am going to write the last course type in this enter title box as Python programming, including the duration of the course and the fees. Here I added only 4 types of courses. You can add multiple. After that, I am connecting this circle which are present in front of register now to this circle. Here it is connected. Now whenever my user will select the course type, then my bot will respond to them. But before that, here I am going to do the setting up of one custom field tag. For that, I am clicking on this actions option and take button as set custom field. Drag this box here where I am going to select the contact custom field as course type. After that, in this enter value box, I am going to write this, that is web development. Here I set this contact custom field not specifically for this web development. Now I am going to explain you why we use this contact custom field here and from where we can create this contact custom field. But before moving anywhere, at first you have to save your flow. If you don't save your flow and switch to the another tab, then all the progress of your flow will be lost. So make sure that whenever moving to anywhere or switching to the different tab, save your flow at first. Now for creating this contact custom field, you have to click on the settings option and go in this contact custom fields option. Here I am opening it on a new tab. So this is the page where you can create multiple types of contact custom field for your different type of users. It is a user specific parameters for managing details like name, emails, tags, countries, etc. When you scroll down, here you can see one option is there, that is plus add more field. When you click on it, it will provide you one field name box where you have to write the name of the field here and also write the description in this field description box. As I already created one contact custom field by the name of course type, so I am not creating more. Now we will get back to our flow. Here by setting this contact custom field node, now I am setting up 3 more contact custom field nodes for each of these course types. For that, I am again taking the set custom fields button 3 times. Drag this boxes here. After that, I am going to select the contact custom field as course type and in this enter value box, I am going to write this, that is the digital marketing. After that, I am going to do the same for both of these also. Here I added. After that, I am connecting this web development circle to this message, this digital marketing circle to this contact custom field node, the graphic designing one is to this and the Python programming to this. Here it is connected. Now you can see I have used the same contact custom field inside it, that is the course type, but I only changed the value. This will help my bot at the end to provide customized message to my users completely based on their selected data. After that, whenever my user will select the course type, then my bot will ask them their full name. For that, I am taking one ask a question button, drag this box here where I am going to write my question as, at first, may I have your full name please? For that, I am selecting the contact custom field as full name. After that, the format I select as text, then the number of attempt. Number of attempt is defined as how many times your user will provide the answer of the question that you have written in this field. It is also means that whenever your user will not provide the response in the correct format that we have selected the text here, if they don't send their name in the correct format, that is in the text format, then you have to increase the number of attempt for them. But make sure that whenever you increase the number of attempt, you have to write the validation message in this enter message box. Here I am going to set the number of attempt as 0, so there is no requirement of any validation message. After that, I am connecting all these not circle to this specific message because after the selection of the course type, at first I want my student's name. Here it is connected. Now when my student will provide me their full name, then my bot will ask them to share the date of starting the course. For that, I'm again taking one ask question button, drag this box here. The process of adding questions into your flow would be the same. You can create your bot completely based on your choice. You can add many things, remove many things and make the changes based on your requirements. Now here I'm going to write my question as, please provide the date when would you like to start the course. For that, I'm going to select the contact custom field as start date. After that, the format I select as date, number of attempt I'll give as 0. After that, I'm connecting this circle to this message. Connection plays major role. You have to make sure that each and every node will connect with each other. Now whenever my student will provide me the course starting date, then my bot will ask them to share their contact number. For that, I'm again taking one ask question button, drag this box here where I'm going to write my question in this enter message box. Great. Lastly, please share your contact number. For that, I'm selecting the contact custom field as contact number. After that, the format I select as number. Then you have to provide the minimum and the maximum value in this boxes that I'm going to write as 10 times 1 and the 10 times 9. This is the default setup for the number format. Whenever you ask your user about their contact number, after that number of attempt I'll give as 0. After that, I'm connecting this circle to this message here. It is connected. Now whenever my student will provide me their contact number, then at last I want to send one customized message to them which includes their name, date of starting the course and the course type. For that, I am clicking on this messages option and take button as text button. Drag this box here where I am going to write my last respond message, that is, your registration is confirmed. Here are your details, name with dollar symbol, full name, course type and start date. You can see I have used a dollar symbol here because with the help of this symbol my bot will reply to my students dynamically, as whenever they share their full name here, then with the help of this contact custom field not full name, automatically my bot will capture their response and reply to them by mentioning their provided name in this place. And same for the course type also. Now I am connecting this circle to this message. Here it is connected. Now the next button is the view courses. If my students wants to view the courses that are available into my academy, then they will click on this view courses button, then my bot will respond to them. For that, I am clicking on this circle, drag a line and choose content type as text button. It will provide me one enter message box where I am going to write all the courses that are available into my academy. Here I added. After that, you can see I also write here that click on the register now button below to enroll. For that, I am giving one register now button here by clicking on this plus add button. It will provide me one enter text box where I am going to write my button as register now. After that, I'm connecting this circle which are present in front of register now to this message, because whenever my user will click on this register now button, then my bot will provide them the list of courses that are available into my academy. Now the creation of our WhatsApp chatbot is completed. So this is the final look of our flow for creating a WhatsApp chatbot that will automate student admission inquiries via WhatsApp. After the completion of your flow, you have to click on this button, save button, so that your flow will be updated. If you face any difficulties on the creation of this flow, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. You can also share this flow with your friends. For sharing this flow, you have to click on this flows option where you have to click on this three dots and click on this share flow option. Here you can see it will provide you one share link that you have to copy from here and share this link with anyone. But make sure that whenever sharing the flow layout will be shared, but the contact custom fields, tags, catalogs and templates will not be shared. You need to create these elements separately and templates must be created and approved by Meta. I also provide the link of this flow in the description box. You can check out. This automated chatbot will reply to your students in real time like this. Done the registration process, shares them the courses that are available into your academy, give them the customized message completely based on their provided responses, and also done the registration process. And this will possible within a second and without you doing any manual efforts. And the best part is this automated chatbot is created without requiring any coding or programming skills. It is only possible with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.